Yep, just got the Rx7 back. Shit, need to put gas in it though. Oh, whew. It's been so long. Please. Ooh, no gas, no gas. I gotta fill this thing up. Shout out to my boy. It's actually, this car's been at my friend Griffin's for the past like 3 weeks because of COVID, so he's taking care of it and he put it in a garage. I don't know where the carpet went actually. Oh, there it is. Fucking threw it in the back. Actually get rid of this. What the fuck is this, dude?
So Eric,
yo.
You want me to order the clutch and the slave?
Oh yeah.
Because nobody responded, right, to your ad?
Is this recording? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's something there's something like rubbing up front. Oh my god, dude, like I drove it to in a parking lot yesterday and I got stuck on the driveway and I don't know, I think it fucked up my fender well, and now it's just constantly rubbing against my wheel. So I gotta check that out because it's gonna, yeah, I'm pretty sure another piece of my fender well, or my fender, like the fender liner, you know, the fender liner is rubbing against my tire right now because it was literally beached yesterday and it like ripped through the fender liner. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut it again, but basically there's a little piece of fender, the inner fender, just going like this and just dangling and it's rubbing against the wheel. Look, when I'm like cornering on this side, it doesn't rub because the weights are most of the weight's on the right side, but now that I'm even, it's like rubbing right now and it's ass. And I have no gas and I have no premix. I'm so fucked. Yeah, but anyway, I gotta fill up right now. Spend another fucking probably like $40 to fill up to only get half a tank. Fill up half a tank and only get probably like 50-60 miles out of it. Yeah, honestly, half a tank gets me like 50-60 miles. As you guys can see, I really miss driving my Integra. I blew the clutch master and the clutch slave cylinder out of my Integra. I was driving back from Southern California the other day and it fucking blew out and I was barely able to shift, so I was barely able to get home. All right, can I make it? Oh, we made it. We're good. Oh shit. Here we go. That? Okay, I need to cut that out of the video. Bruh. Oh, they left me no premix. Shit. I'm left. Fuck. Unlock this. Oh yeah, I had to lock the hood yesterday because me and my homies pulled up to a spot. There's people getting arrested because they're being dumbass. I'm doing burnouts in the lot, so there's hella cops everywhere. So I had to lock my hood before going in so I wouldn't get popped. And oh yeah, there's the oil thingy. Totally forgot what that was. Yep. Ah, shit. Hello? Good night. Thanks. Thanks, man. Do I have oil? It's a very important. Fuck. I can't see because this stupid ass camera, bro. All right, this is okay. All right. I can't actually see because I have a camera in my face. Ooh. We're at like almost like 3/4. Okay, I actually need to move this camera so I can fucking see. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh. Oops, I accidentally filled it up all the way. Oh well. There goes. Oh my god, bro. Whatever, I have to fill it up anyways. $54, dude. So expensive. No, I don't want to see how much I fucking spent on gas. I'm broke. Oh, it costs so much money to drive this car. Everyone thinks rotaries are cheap. Actually, no one thinks that, but I'm just here to prove they cost a lot of fucking money. Oh, hold on. Okay. Alright, how do I get to J-Town? That's where I'm going. Full tank of gas, man. They could do that. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh man. Oh, that could have been really fucking bad. Good thing I have good brakes. Just kidding. I think they're just like Street Plus brakes, but you guys feel me. Car doesn't weigh anything. Okay. Roll up this window. In 10 minutes. Okay, I'm coming. I was getting gas. Oh my god, my homeboy Johnny's waiting. He's like, I'm there in 2 minutes. I'm like, bro, I had to I accidentally put a full tank of gas in. I'm sorry. Spent $54. Dude, 50. Oh my god, bro, 54. Oh, what's this? Oh, you guys see that? Yeah. All right, everyone, get out of the way. I have somewhere to go. All right. Is that a cop? Damn it, I can't see. That is not a cop. Dope. Later. Don't fucking flash me. you guys, but man, I hate it. I hate it when people flash me when I'm like passing them and shit. Like, I don't, like, they're acting like I don't know that I'm going fast. Dude, like, I know I'm passing you. Like, I am intentionally like going faster to pass your ass. Like, I don't know why people need to flash. Like, I know what I'm doing. Jesus Christ, dude. Look at this BRZ, watch this. God, never mind. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm chasing BRZ. Quick. Well, my car's also just kind of running like shit. I'm on a street tune. Thing sucks. I should raise. Wait. I have a mask on, but something smells like it's cooking. Wait a minute. Huh. Something's wrong, but I don't know what it is. Oh well. I really hope this car doesn't break down right now or in the near future, because my Integra's down right now too, because I blew the, I said it earlier, but yeah, I blew the clutch, the slave cylinder out and the master or something. I don't know what blew out, but something's leaking in the my clutch fluid's leaking, because like when I put the pedal to the floor, there's like no resistance and it just like goes straight down. It doesn't rebound. So this is like my Rx7 is my it's my reliable daily right now, which honestly it's not good. Like that's really fucking bad. If your Rx7 is your reliable daily, that's honestly like one of the worst situations. Like that's probably one of the worst things you can ever have. So yeah, I don't know, man. My Integra's had more problems than my Rx7, and it's like, it's kind of sad if you think about it. Like, you buy a Honda after your Rx7 to be a reliable daily, and it ends up just crapping out every couple months, and I'm like, dude, like, this sucks, you know? Like, this isn't what I signed up for. I signed up to have just parked outside. I signed up to have a reliable Honda, not another unreliable vehicle. So, am I going double exit? Okay. All right, everyone move. Oh, this guy can't drive. Oh man. Why would you merge over if you're not? Oh my god. Oh, this guy, what the fuck is this? This guy, what the fuck is this?
Okay.
What? Where am I? What? What's happening? Dude, I'm so scared to drive in San Jose. Man, some people are pretty, I mean, okay, I know I drive sometimes not the speed limit, but like these people are on like ramps going into other ramps. Like, I don't, you know what I'm saying? Like, later. But yeah, guys, I just want to say, like, thanks so much for, there's so many cops here, bro. I'm gonna get popped. Shit. I also want to say thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. Like, it really means a lot. I never ever thought 1,000 people would ever want to watch me hooning around and do stupid shit in my cars. But yeah, I really appreciate it. And oh, my light, no, never mind, my light's not out. I'm playing. No, but yeah, I just want to say thank you so much. Like, I have the option to monetize because I have like 5,000 watch hours and 1,000 subs, but I'm not gonna do that solely because I think I would get like, I was watching the analytics of other people with 1,000 subs and they get like $2 a day. And like, honestly, for my viewers, to make my viewers watch 30-second ads just for me to get $2 a day is not worth it. Like, like that's honestly like ridiculous. But yeah, thank you so much, and tune in for the next video.
Rider, buster, you need it, I'll bleed it. Geeking off a perkin', bitch, I'm feeling like a demon. Bitch, I